Today's lesson is 10.1 on page 402. We are adding and subtracting like terms. So like terms are those numbers that have the same variables and exponents. So number 1, we have 9a plus 9b. The 9's are the same, but it doesn't matter if the number in front of the variable is the same. Those can be any numbers. What matters are the variables behind it. So in this case we have A and B. Those are not the same, so it's not like terms, or they're unlike. Or number 3, 5a plus 5ab. Even though it's kind of the same, that b makes it so it's not a like term. It's not the same. This one, x squared plus 5x squared. In those cases, what makes it like terms is the fact that they both have an x and they both are squared. So if we were to add those together, we'd put an imaginary 1 in front of that. You would just add up the numbers, 1 plus 5. So it turns into 6x squared. 2x take away 8x. Again, the variables are the same, so it's a like term. So you just take 2, take away 8. Well, 2 take away 8 is negative 6x. Right here, 4a plus 9a squared plus a cubed. It seems like those should be like terms because they all have the same variable, but they have different exponents in each of them. So 1, 2, and 3 are not the same, so this is not a like term. If we looked over here, it says determine if each polygon, or not polygon, polynomial is simplified or not simplified. So that just means we have to combine any like terms. So 8x plus 4x, that's not simplified. You have to combine them. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Then you put the x behind them. 16, 10y plus 10, that's simplified. You cannot simplify it any further. 4b squared plus 9b, those are not like terms because of that squared, so it's simplified all the way down. 3d take away 8d plus 5. In this case, we have a like term. 3d and negative 8d are both like terms because they both have the same variable with the same exponent, if we imagine a little 1 on top of there. So you just take 3, take away 8. Well, you have $3, you lose $8, now you're in debt $5. So you have negative 5d, and then you have to add on what we can't simplify, plus 5. We can't simplify it any further because they don't have the same variable behind it. 18p plus 4 plus 6p, we can simplify again. Our like terms are the 18p and the 6p. So you just take 18 plus 6, which is 24p plus 4. So you just add it just like that. With these, all that you have to do is either add or subtract the numbers and then put the variable and exponent behind it. So 9z take away 3z. They are like terms, so you just take 9 take away 3, which is 6, and then you put the z behind it. In the case of number 37, negative 11b to the 5th power plus 6b to the 5th power plus 18b to the 5th power. They all are the same like terms. So you just take negative 11 plus 6. So if you're down $11 and then you gain 6, you are still down $5. And then you add it to 18. Negative 5 plus 18 is 13. And then you put the variable and exponent behind it, b to the 5th power. So, on your homework, the first part, you just have to say if they're like or unlike terms. Second part, you just have to determine if they're simplified or not simplified. So, can you combine any of the terms? Here, you have to simplify all of them. And then this is our review.